What if every click you send online paid you every single month? Not once, not occasionally, but again and again and again. Now imagine doing that across 230 plus platforms from one simple dashboard. Here's the problem. Most affiliate marketers are stuck in a loop. They find an offer, build a page, write content, promote it, and maybe make one sale. Then they start over again. That's not scalable. That's exhausting. And it gets worse. To launch just one campaign, you need a page builder, a copy tool, an email tool, a social tool, and tracking tools. That's easily $200 plus per month, and nothing connects. So most people don't even launch consistently. But what if you didn't need any of that? What if everything was already done for you in one system? Introducing RecurHub, the all-in-one platform built to help you create, launch, and scale recurring affiliate campaigns from a single dashboard. Here's what makes this powerful. Inside RecurHub, you get access to 230 plus recurring affiliate platforms. These are tools people pay for every month, which means every referral you make can pay you monthly. Let's keep it simple. One platform earns you around $20 per month. Just 10 referrals, that's $200 per month. Now multiply that across multiple platforms. That's how income stacks. And the best part? It's simple. Step 1, pick a platform. Step 2, get your affiliate link. Step 3, let AI generate your content. Step 4, launch. That's it. No writing, no tech skills, no complicated setup. Inside RecurHub, you get everything you need. AI-generated landing pages, ad copy and creatives, email swipes, social media content, lead capture system, and built-in analytics and tracking. Everything works together. No extra tools needed. You can launch a complete campaign in minutes. And instead of paying monthly, you get everything for just $17 one time. Plus, a 14-day money-back guarantee. So the question is simple. Do you keep rebuilding campaigns every month or start building income that stacks? Click the button below, get instant access, and start building your recurring income today.